Can you handle to listen to the most annoying sound in the world? I'm sure that you cannot listen to the last one. Let's go. Number 1 is power drill. Okay, this one is not that much bad, right? Number 2, baby crying. Yeah, I can handle this one because I love kids. Not in that way, but they're cute. Number 3, iPhone alarm. I hate this one. If you hate it too, subscribe to my channel. Nail scratching. That's awful, right? Metal scratching. I can't handle this one. This is awful, right? If you think that this is the most annoying sound in the world, like this video.